Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, September 20th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we're having cinnamon roll and sausage. For lunch, potato soup and cheese stick. Tomorrow for breakfast, we're having breakfast hot pockets. For lunch will be chicken bites. Today's announcements. Please continue to post attendance in Schoology. Students and teachers are required to wear a mask at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. You must bring one with you each day to school. Today for late duty, we have Miss Overstreet. Tomorrow, Miss Weaver. Wednesday, Miss Washam. Thursday, Miss Wolf, and Friday, Miss Thoman. Important dates. September 21st, we have blood drive on campus. September 22nd, we have PST meetings. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is teacher work day, no school for students. And October 12th is start of the second quarter. Today, we also have Candace Tracy here. She is meeting with teachers in the Collab Lab, so check with your grade level representative to see who and when is coming. School fundraiser. We are still taking envelopes for the school fundraiser, so if you have an envelope, please stick it in your snack bag, and we will send those out later today. The word of the day is equal. Equal means things having the same value. So on this balance scale, on one side we have 13 plus 5, and on the other side we have 10 plus 8. Because the bar is balanced, then that means that those expressions are equal. 13 plus 5 equals 18. 10 plus 8 equals 18, and 18 is equal to 18. Equal means having the same value or having the same amount. Shout out to these teachers for having their AR goals posted. Miss Lankford, Miss Moore, Miss Cunningham, Miss Hamlin, Miss Hushman, Miss Lee, and Miss Peralta. These are in addition to the ones who have already posted their AR goals. These are recognized by Miss Smith. Teachers, make sure that when you are setting up your goals that you select quarter 1 as your marking period. You want to make sure everything works correctly. Next, we have a shout out for Hayden O'Kane in Miss Wolf's class. Way to go, Hayden. Also recognized by Miss Smith in the library. Hayden O'Kane has already met her AR goal. Woohoo! Hayden, please come down to the library for a surprise from Miss Smith. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.